Hi, I am Mauro Pazienza, Cloudera Certified Instructor at PUE, and I'm going to present the Cloudera Big Data Architecture Workshop. This is a 3-day training course and is a highly interactive workshop. The participants apply concept to a real-world example resulting in detailed discussion. More specifically, the training addresses advanced big data architecture topics like data format, transformation, real-time and batch application like machine learning processing and the scalability and fault-tolerant application. Participants should have working with HDFS, Spark, MapReduce, Hive or Impala, and by the way, the relational databases. We will have a solution implemented and deployed in the cloud for Daemon during the workshop.